Hi guys, good morning. Myself Shubham Dhar, an experienced IT professional who is currently doing his MBA from Munich Business School. So as we have mentioned in the last blog, today we are going to discuss about the essay and SOP, like statement of purpose, that you need to submit while applying for MBA from German university. So to start with, what is SOP? So SOP is a statement of purpose. For most of the German colleges, SOP is mandatory. So in SOP, you need to mention that why you choose that college, why you choose that specific location, why you choose Germany as country to pursue your MBA, and your career goal, and each and every point you can mention in SOP. So which is statement of purpose. Now to start with, apart from SOP, there are colleges who would ask you to write down essays. Mostly, it will contain your personal details from different aspects. So to start with, one of the colleges in Munich, in one of the colleges in Munich, ask us or the applicant to write this essay. Why do you feel XYZ school or university and their MBA program are right fit for you? So you need to write down why you have applied for this college, XYZ college, just for example I'm giving the name, why you have applied for MBA in this college, why you choose the domain, and how does it fit your profile. The second essay is, how will the MBA help you to achieve your career goals? Please also mention your desired country of employment and the industry or field you wish to work in after graduation within 400 words. So this is also an essay via which you can set the expectation for university or college, that what is your career goal and what you want to achieve by doing the MBA. This kind of essay help university as well as colleges to understand the student aspect, as well as it also help university to shortlist candidate as well. Third essay is, why do you think you are a qualified candidate for our MBA? 400 words. So you need to mention that how your previous experience, working experience or educational experience fits into MBA that you have applied for. The fourth one is very important. It is all about, please convince us why should we grant you a scholarship. So you have to convince your college or university to grant you a scholarship. The better way you approach it, the better you display of your experience, the possibility is higher that you get more scholarship, or the percentage of scholarship will be higher. So a note was also given within that essay. The note was, the scholarship application is your opportunity to show us why you are the best candidate to receive a scholarship. Why should we invest in you according to your selection criteria? Why do you deserve a scholarship, and what do you plan on giving back to the society? Keep in mind that we receive many applications, so make sure to convey your personal brand effectively and memorably. So guys, to get a scholarship, make sure you're transparent. You mention what you have done in your education and professional field, and how you can help the college and greater community after doing the MBA. The fifth essay is, please specify your postgraduate professional work experience and responsibilities for us to get an impression of how an MBA would build upon your previous experience and fit into your career trajectory. So basically, this essay is mostly applicable for professional work experience people. So people who have having professional experience and applied for MBA need to take this essay very seriously, because this will help you to map your dream within the specific college who can fulfill it. So mostly people apply for multiple colleges, and this kind of essay help both student as well as university to connect with their thought process, or what actually the student want to do. Essay number 6 is there anything that you have not mentioned in your application essay so far that you would like to know the admission committee? So okay, this is a great essay, right? There might be multiple fields that you need to fill up, as part of your MBA application, right? Educational background, professional, each and everything. But there might be certain other things as well. You might be a guitarist, you might be an artist, you might be a cricketer or a player or a sports person, anything, right? So if you don't get a chance to mention those in your application, one of the university in Munich giving student the best opportunity to express themselves by mentioning that they can write an essay and mention all the things that they would like to express themselves, they would like to let college know about that. So please take this essay very seriously as well. Just write down each and everything that you would like to know others about you. And the seventh one was a case study. This is something that I wrote it for one of the colleges in Frankfurt. So the case study was about business management during a pandemic. So think like that. You are a business manager. You have a business to take care. And during pandemic, it got hit very badly, right? So your responsibility is to do the changes, strategic changes, implement those, and make sure your business is running as usual. So 500 word was the limit. You have to be very specific about the word limit, right? Mostly in case of case studies, we have a tendency to exceed the word limit, right? It goes for 1,000 and all. But here in German universities, the word limits has been taken care very strictly. If it has been said as 500 words, you have to finish it within 500 words. So guys, I would request you to check this essays. I'll put it in my video details. So go through the essay, right? Understand those and prepare yourself and write down those essays so that once you start applying for MBA from Germany, right, you can utilize this and you can use this as a reference. So if you think you need the answer, reference answer as well, I have written down all those essays while applying. Maybe you can drop me a mail and I can share with you as well. And yeah, I think we're good for today. Just go through it and let me know and drop me an email if you think I can help you out as well. So till then, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and I will get back to you with more details. Till then, tata and have a good day. See you guys. Bye.